Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to do portraits with the Nikon D70S. I have 4 lenses to try out with an amazing model.
Hi guys, my name is Judy Her. You guys can follow me here.
And you can follow her there. And like I said, this camera is pretty old. I'll have links below on where you can purchase this camera and the 4 lenses if you're interested. So yeah, definitely check out the lenses. The 4 lenses is going to be the 35, the Tamron 45, the Nikon 50 1.8G, and the Nikon 85 1.8G. So here it is. Alright, so this is the Nikon D70S with the 35 1.8. Switch the lenses. This is the 50 1.8G.
Hey, no, chill out. No.
Right, so that was the 50 1.8. I'm gonna move on to the 45. Alright, so right now I have the D70S with the 85 1.8. Alright everyone, so that was the Nikon D70S with the 4 lenses. I want to say thanks to model
Judy Her.
Big props to her for coming out and taking her time to take photos with me. Like I said, you can give her a follow here. So yeah, if you're interested in purchasing the 4 lenses, I'll have links below on where you can purchase them. And also you can purchase the Nikon D70S. It's still a really great camera for portraits, I would say, as you can see in the pictures earlier. And yeah, if you have this camera and you're doing portraits with it, comment below and let me know what you think. And that's the video. I really appreciate everyone watching. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe and like this video. Thanks again. See ya.